Welcome to Have Fun Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy, here with some tips about the shows here at the park. Now, my lifelong background in music and entertainment, I'm always partial to the shows and all the talent it takes to keep them going. Silver Dollar City isn't just about the rides and amazing food, it's home to some of the best live entertainment in Branson. Did you know many of the entertainers that you see on the stages in Branson during the evening also perform shows during the day at Silver Dollar City? They sure do. So why leave the park to go to a show when you can see some of the best shows in Southwest Missouri for free at Silver Dollar City? Here are a few tips. Shows like the Saloon Show and bluegrass and barbecue concerts fill up fast, so try your best to get to the theater at least 30 minutes before the show for the best seats, especially for popular seasonal shows like A Dickens Christmas Carol during the holidays. Most people go straight to the big theaters, but don't skip the hidden gems. Check out the Homestead Pickers at McAfee's Homestead for incredible folk music and comedy. Then stop by the gazebo stage for performances by the Horse Creek Band, who have been entertaining guests here for the past 50 years. And don't forget about the free evening concerts at the Echo Hollow Amphitheater. These shows feature everything from country and bluegrass to classic rock and roll and are performed by local favorites and even some internationally known bands and artists. To see which shows you want to see, take a look at the app or the Pathfinder newspaper I talked about in earlier videos to check the show times and then plan your day around these times. With a little planning, your day at Silver Dollar City will certainly be more enjoyable and relaxing. And here's a smart move. After the Echo Hollow show, don't be in a hurry to rush out with the crowd. Sit back and relax a few minutes, or go down and meet the entertainers and look at some of their merchandise. Then enjoy the evening atmosphere as you head toward the exit gates. By the time you leave, the tram lines and the parking lot traffic will be much easier to navigate, and you'll get a chance to see the park all lit up at night. When I worked there, walking out of the park with the lights on and hearing all the sounds of nature, this was such a relaxing part of my day. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these time and money saving tips. Now, if you found this video to be helpful, I really would appreciate you hitting the like button before you go to let me know you enjoyed it. It helps me more than you know. On the video shown here, we'll take a look at some of the rides so you'll have an idea of what to expect. Thanks for watching. Tell a friend.